it was just because her bra strap was showing during the process. Later on, the girl sprinted forward, jumped onto the podium, made a gesture of forfeit, and the referee reluctantly knocked down the scorecard. The coach praised the girl's behavior. Her teammate even started a runway show directly on the competition. Then also exposed her.
Kumakain si Dre o si Bol na yogurt. Para sa kanya almusal. Kumain siya kanina na. Wow! Kumain siya kanina ng kanin.
Then, sino ka?
Si Cheska po.
Winden!
Winden!
Bilang mo man dati ni Joy. Wala ako. Bilang mo din ba ni Joy? Sino yun?
Si Kurt.
Asa si Kurt?
Umalis na. Ay, huwag ka na nandun sa sabi niya sa kasi Kurt.
Mamadali siya pupunta din ng mga. Hindi ka ano yun, Chichi?
Ibilang mo ko no.
Jo, ay Chichi, kumain na?
Dinosaur round! Gustong-gusto yan. Wow, kumakain. Oo, tama. Gagamitin siya.
Mayroong pera dyan ha, may darating pa. Maraming pa ako sa akin darating.
Kumakain siya ng yogurt. Ma'am. Dinosaur. Wow! Ganyan. Hayaan lang natin na kumain ng bata. Ganyan lang. Na. Ganyan lang. Matututo rin yan. Magto 2 years old na si Dre sa June 9. Wow! Wow! Natatain na si babaeng mapagbilang. Yung kapatid ko, yung mama. Mama mo is babae. Mapaglinlang. Your mom is mapaglinlang, di ba? Ay!
The family gave her 1 million yuan for tuition, but the little girl, very well behaved, refused the money, saying that she had been given a scholarship and that she had her own bonuses for living expenses.
Magto 2 years old siya sa June 9. Pagka dito ka.
Her goal in studying so hard was
Anong ginagawa niyo? Ako nag-aalaga ng bata. Yan ang aking... Oh? Hindi siya pwede sa kanila, sa papa niya kasi, tatay niya kasi meron daw, meron silang project. Kaya dito muna si Dre, buto. Wow. nanonood ng TV. Nanonood ng TV. Makain ng yogurt. Yogurt. Sabihin mo. Yogurt. Yogurt. Ano yan kinakain mo? Yogurt. Ano yan? Yogurt. Oh.
It was the same amulet that her mother had gotten for them from a temple before she passed away. She immediately became emotional and asked where the amulet came from. The female CEO went to the hotel's kitchen for an inspection, but accidentally discovered that every potato on camera had a heart-shaped sticker on it. She was
Yan,
immediately
sige
struck by
na.
shock and began to
Bye-bye na.
when she used to pick up such
Thank
heart stickers
you.